on? Hello. What's going on? It's just my jacket. Don't be afraid. How are you, sweet? Are you eating some hay? I love you. It's Mama's jacket. Don't be afraid. Come on over. Can you get over? Say hello. It's very deep. Here's my fence and I can step over it. It's Mama's jacket. Don't be afraid of it. It's just my jacket. Hello. How are you, pretty? Oh my goodness. You're my good boys. Say, we're helping. We're helping shovel, Mama. No, don't pull my jacket piece. Thank you. Hey, what's going on? Yes, are you helping me shovel? We've got our iced tea and our coffee. We're shoveling out to the water with the help of Piety. He's going to take my jacket. Hello. Hello, best friend. How are you? Oh my goodness, you're so cute. Yeah, I am very dirty. I am very dirty boy. Where's your friends? There they are. Hi. Hello. Hello.